Hello everyone, once again welcome to our YouTube channel Aeronautical Engineering. We are back with our new lecture module for core subject of Aeronautical Engineering, Elements of Aeronautics. Here in this lecture module, we will be discussing about what we are going to cover in our next upcoming video lectures under Elements of Aeronautics. So in our upcoming video lecture module, we will start from the history of flight, where we will discuss all about history of flight. Then we will go for aircraft configuration and its control, where we will discuss about different type of flight vehicle, its classification, component and their function. After that we will go for basic of aerodynamics, where we will discuss physical properties and structure of atmosphere, temperature, pressure and altitude relationship, and Newton law of motion applied to aeronautics. And we will also discuss about piston, turbofan and jet engines. All other topics are given in the description below, so check it. Now it's time to talk about the outcome of this video module, Elements of Aeronautics. So if you are watching our full video module regular, then you will learn the history of aircraft and its development over the year, and also ability to identify types and classification, component and control system of an aircraft. Along with that, you will understand the basic concept of flight and physical properties, and also you will have an ability to differentiate the type of fuselage and its construction. So I hope you will enjoy this lecture module. And if you are new here on our YouTube channel, so do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon, because whenever we will upload the next video, you will get the notification first. So for today, we are going to end this video here, and we will upload the next video soon. Stay tuned and have fun.